Subscribe to Nazima's Taste of Home. Press the bell icon for latest updates. Today's recipe is a very simple and easy tea time snack or a dinner idea: stuffed fish rotis. These Sri Lankan style fish rotis are perfect when you want to have or you are craving for elevolu rotis or fish rotis, but don't want to make anything too complicated and time processing. Something very simple and easy, not like the regular curry rotis. This is delicious soft stuffed crepes or roti, flatbread stuffed with spicy tuna and potato filling, and then cooked on a hot griddle until golden and crisp. We don't need any oil or no kneading, just a quick batter, and then you make it and then the roti is ready. Now let's check out the ingredients and see how easy to make this. Today I'm going to make a filling with tuna fish, potato and spring onions, but you can choose your filling for your choice, and even you can make with vegetables too. Here I have taken some boiled and shredded potatoes and some spring onions chopped, and half onion finely chopped, one medium-sized tomato, and a handful of curry leaves finely chopped, 2 to 3 green chili finely chopped, and spices as you need: half teaspoon turmeric powder and 1.5 teaspoon red chili flakes, pepper powder and curry powder. And here I have taken 2 cans of tuna. Now let's start cooking. Heat a pan and add about 1 tablespoon oil. I'm adding some olive oil. When it heats up, add some curry leaves and onions and saute it for a minute. Add salt as needed and give a quick stir. Now let's add tomatoes and green chilies and cook for about 30 seconds. Now let's add the spices: turmeric powder, red chili flakes, black pepper powder and Sri Lankan curry powder, and then give a quick stir and cook it for about 30 seconds. And then let's add the shredded potatoes, but you can cut the potatoes as you want. Now cook for further 1 minute and then add the canned tuna. I am adding 2 cans because I like more fish in my stuffed rotis, but you can add 1 medium size tuna can and give a quick stir. And now let's add the spring onions, or you can add leeks too. And I'm going to put off the heat now. I'm not going to overcook the spring onions. Now it's ready. Now let's make the batter while the filling is cooling down. In a large bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 egg, salt as needed. Now combine all ingredients together, and you can add either water or fresh milk. I am adding low-fat fresh milk and mix it really well. And I'm going to blend with an immersion blender until smooth, but you can use a regular blender. Now the batter is ready and it looks really smooth, and I'm going to transfer the filling into a bowl. Now let's start making the crepes. Now I'm going to add a handful of chopped coriander leaves or cilantro. This will give a nice flavor to the crepes. Mix it really well, and now it's ready. So let's start making the crepes. Heat a non-stick pan and pour a small amount of batter evenly into the pan. Once the crepes start to slightly brown, if you like, flip it to the other side. I am not going to flip it. Then carefully transfer the crepes onto a plate using both your hands. Now place the pancake onto a plate and then place about 1/4 cup of the filling and fold the lower edge of the crepe up over the filling, just like this. And then fold the sides of the crepe inward and as though you are folding an envelope. And roll the crepe up and over the filling, like tucking the edges in as you roll. Now finish with the rest of the crepes, and now these are stuffed and rolled and ready to be grilled. Now heat a non-stick skillet on medium heat, and now let's start cooking the stuffed rotis. I'm not going to add any oil. Cook all sides carefully without burning until it is browned and crisp, about 1 to 2 minutes per side. Keep flipping and turning and cook all sides equally, just like the regular curry rotis. Now it's almost ready. Please do try out this recipe, and if you like this video, please leave a comment and share it with your family and friends. If you have not subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Thanks for watching. See you later.